Extremely sorry for the trouble. Now you say me whether the screen is. You can see the screen. I don't understand why it's not coming. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are seeing the story of Matsyavatara. Okay. So Brahma is sleeping. While he is sleeping, all the Vedas comes out of his mouth. So the Asura Hayagriva is taking all the Vedas and keeping to himself. Okay. And then he's thinking that I should not let this Vedas out of me. Now, behind Vishnu is seeing all these things. Okay. That the Hayagriva Asura is taking everything. Okay. And then Vishnu does a plan. Okay, let me do something. Let me go to a rishi. Who is the rishi? He is Satyavrata. Okay, his name is Satyavrata. Let me go to the rishi Satyavrata and ask help from him. Okay. So, what is he doing? What is he doing?
He's bathing.
Veda?
He's bathing.
He is actually going in a form of a fish to Satyavrata. Good guess, Veda. I'm happy that you said that. He is going in a form of a fish to Satyavrata. Okay. Now Satyavrata is doing daily, Sandhya Vandana, right? So he's doing a daily
Puja.
Okay. So he's just picking up the water and praying to God.
Sun. Surya Dev.
Yes, Veda.
Surya Dev.
Excellent Veda, to Surya Dev. Okay, to Surya Dev. He's praying to Surya Dev. At that moment, you know what happened? What happened? What can you see in the picture? What is in the Rishi's hand?
Fish.
Fish.
Excellent. Fish is there. Okay. So Satya, that fish is speaking to him. Oh Rishi, please don't leave me inside the water, Rishi, because I'm so afraid that the big fishes will
Eat me.
Eat
eat
me.
me. Excellent. The big fishes will eat me. I'm so afraid. Please don't leave me inside the water. Then Rishi is saying, okay, so pity fish, I'll take you to my
House.
house. Excellent. I'll take you to my home. So what he's doing, he's taking the fish and he's putting it into his kamandalu. Kamandalu is a vessel where you take the water. In those days, they used to take kamandalu everywhere. They'll have water in that. Okay. So he's putting the small fish inside the kamandalu. Okay. And then the rishi is going to his hermitage or to his ashram. Okay. He's going back. Now what happens? In the night, the rishi fell asleep. Okay. In the morning, what happened to the fish?
The fish became big.
Excellent. The fish
Grown.
big, bigger than the kamandalu. Okay. Now the fish became big. He has awoke and then he came and saw the fish. What is this? What happened to the fish? How come it has become big? Now the fish is speaking. Oh king, this is too small for me. This kamandalu is too small for me. Please take me to a bigger vessel. Then the rishi is taking to a bigger vessel. Okay. So the next day again, what happened?
The fish
It
became
grown.
more big.
Excellent. It has become even more bigger than the present vessel. Okay. And then what happened? It has become even more big. So then again the fish is requesting, "Oh Rishi, oh king, please, I need a bigger space than this one." And then he's dropping it into the pond. So, so after the pond, which one is bigger?
River.
River, excellent. And then
Sea.
sea. Before the river, it is lake, right? So is
Yeah.
living in a lake. The lake is from the lake. It is again becoming bigger. Then he is living in the river. Again, it's becoming bigger. Now he is living in the
Ocean.
ocean, sea. Okay, sea. It is becoming bigger in the lake and then bigger in the river. Now he's planned to live in the ocean. Now it has become even more bigger and bigger and bigger. Now Rishi gets a doubt. So who is this? Who are you? Then he started to realize that it is
Lord Vishnu.
excellent, Sujit. It is none other than Lord Vishnu. Now he's saying, I know that you are Lord Narayana. Narayana, please forgive me. Vishnu, please forgive me. I did not realize that it is you. Okay. Now I understood that you are the one who is playing all these Leela, all these playful things to me, with me. Okay. And then he's bowing down and doing namaskara and saying, Oh, oh Narayana, oh Vishnu, how can I help you? Why have you come to me? Then what is the Matsya saying?
They named the Asur.
He's telling when Brahma was sleeping, that Asuran stole all the Vedas and
excellent.
asked help from the
Ah.
Rishi.
Yes. So Matsya is saying, see, the Vedas has been stolen by the Asura
Hayagriva.
Hayagriva. Excellent. By the Asura Hayagriva. So I need to protect the earth. In order to protect the earth, I have already taken the Matsyavatara. But in the period of 7 days, which means after a week, I'll be coming again. When I come again, you should be bringing the Saptarishis. You know who are the Saptarishis, right?
Yes.
Yes. So you should bring the Saptarishis, the seeds, whatever you want to plant, the animals, whatever you want, and all other rishis. Okay. So you be ready with them. I will come and pick you up. Okay. This is the instruction given by Vishnu to
Rishi.
Rishi. Who is the Rishi? What is the Rishi's name? Satyavrata. Okay, to the Rishi Satyavrata. So, Satyavrata is now going and informing the Saptarishis and he's collecting all the plants.
Rishis.
What is it, Sujit?
Seeds.
Seeds, very good. He's collecting all the plant seeds and then he is bringing all the animals together. Okay, and then now what happens? Now, what is the next duty of Matsyavatara? What should Matsya do now, Teju? Matsya should kill the Asura. Correct, Teju?
Yes, ma'am.
So Matsya should kill the Asura. Who's the Asura? What's the Asura's name?
Hayagriva.
Hayagriva.
Hayagriva. So now it's ready to kill the Hayagriva Asura. Okay. So it's all the way turning around and going to find out where this Hayagriva is and he's just smashing him below. Can you see it in the picture? The Hayagriva is below and Matsya is on top of the Hayagriva, killing the Hayagriva. Okay? So, why does Vishnu incarnate in various avatars? What's the purpose?
Ma'am, to destroy a few some asuras.
Excellent, Sujit. To destroy all the demons and asuras, right? And then to improve the good people. Okay, to develop bhakti and everything in the good people, and to destroy the bad people who are doing bad to the good people. Sajjanaha. Okay. Okay. So now what happened? What is he doing?
Ma'am, killing.
He has brought all the
Vedas back.
Species.
excellent. All the Saptarishis and then the animals, everything he has just collected everybody and he has brought them together. Okay. Now they are waiting for
Vishnu.
Vishnu, for Matsya. They are waiting for Matsya. There is a big storm coming over. Now everybody is saying, where is Matsya? Where is Matsya? There is a, what is coming there?
Ship.
Ship. There is a ship, big ship coming over there in the direction facing the rishis. So what is the rishi's name?
Satyavarna.
Satyavrata. Excellent. Facing the Satyavrata. And then everybody are very, very excited to see the ship coming over there. Okay, to rescue them, to protect them. And then what happened? So,
Lord Vishnu came.
Lord Vishnu came. But I don't know. The slide is not moving, right?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it is coming. Okay. So are you able to see it here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So now the ship has come. Now everybody are getting into the ship. Okay. Everybody are getting into the ship. But now since it is a big storm, the ship is moving to and fro. Here and there it's moving a lot. Okay. Now everybody are afraid if they are going to fall into the
Ocean.
Ocean.
into the water, into the ocean. Then here comes our hero. Who is our hero?
Vishnu.
Lord Vishnu.
Vishnu. He comes as a Matsya. And then he says, you tie the rope, you tie the Vasuki snake to my horn. Do you see a horn in the Matsya? He's saying, come on, tie it. I'll take you to the shore. Then, can you see the rope tied over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, now the Matsya takes everybody to the shore and he protects everybody. Okay? Okay, da? That's all. Story over. So, next week, what story you want? Do you want to say? Do you want Avatara story or a normal story?
Ma'am, Avatara story.
Avatara.
Okay, then shall we see Narasimha? Narasimha Avatara?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll just stop the screen share. Okay. Now we'll say the closing prayer, okay? Does anybody know Kayena Vacha? Do you know? Okay, then go ahead. Say Kayena Vacha. Sujita Kaushiya. Who will say? Come on, Sujit, say. Both of you say. Kaushi and Sujit, both of you say.
कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
Okay, I'll end the recording over here.